Welcome to our tutorial on restoring Phoenix Browser to its default settings on your mobile device. Whether you're experiencing glitches, want to start fresh, or simply prefer the default setup, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. First, open the Phoenix Browser on your mobile device. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right. Then, scroll down and select Settings from the menu options. After that, scroll down until you find the option labeled Reset to Default Settings. Finally, tap on this option and confirm by selecting Restore. This will reset the browser to its original state, removing any customizations or changes you've made. By following these steps, you've successfully restored Phoenix Browser to its default settings on your mobile device. This can help resolve issues and provide a clean browsing experience. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel, like the video, and share it with others. Thank you for watching.